Yo, what's up, guys? We're back. We're doing another Replicon unboxing. So this is from the homeboy Freak, the Real Freak. Look at this thing. I got a blood-covered box, Replicon, upside down. I'm gonna say shout out to this guy in advance. I'm a little concerned. He recently did his live show, The Real Freak, for his Freak EP. Not me, it's just the Freak EP. On YouTube, in his kill room. And he had like body parts and things. So he asked if he could send something. Obviously, yes. If you want to send something, obviously you can. Hit us up. We love promo packages and stuff. Please don't send human body parts, is what I told him. So yeah, let's see what we got. We have a box. It's been taped very well. There we go. Let's see. Ah, yeah. Boom. All right. I don't see any body parts. That's a good sign. What is this? It's attached? Oh no. Got some nice plastic wrap here. Let's see what we got. So we got some buttons. We got some Freak buttons. Check that out. Can you guys see that? The glare is a little crazy, huh? There they are. Freak buttons. Buttons. Buttons, buttons, buttons. 2 of each. That's dope. I'll have to bring Brew and Dead Body Man some buttons on Monday. Props to you for that. What else? Oh, these are creepy. Some creepy little Freak stickers. Look at that. With the holographic deal or whatever. That's dope. Those are dope. Good job on those. Everything's all nicely individually wrapped. Speaking of wraps, we got some Freak dead wraps. Some papers. Look at that. Freak dead wraps. These are dope. You guys need some wraps. 50 pure hemp papers. So there you go. Got some cool stuff there. We have a copy. 2 copies. 2 copies of the Freak EP. I feel so weird saying that. Freak EP. The Freak EP. Again, individually wrapped. Look at all these. I love that everything's individually wrapped. So, 2 copies of the Freak EP. And looks like we got 2 copies of the Freak Uncomfortable EP. The Uncomfortable EP. There you go. 2 of those. We get no body parts. I was under the impression we were getting body parts, but I didn't want body parts, at least not real human ones. Thanks, bro. Shout out to the Real Freak. Go check him out. I know he's on YouTube. The Real, one word, Freak. Check out his Kill Room show. Check out the Freak EP. Freak, leave a comment in the comment section down below so they can find you. Plug yourself. All that good stuff. Shout out to him from West Virginia. The Real Freak. Thanks for the package, brother. I appreciate the bloody box. So glad there's no human body parts in there. So go check out the Real Freak, the Freak EP, and go check out his Kill Room show live on YouTube. Ugh. And if you ever get a bloody box in the mail, make sure you at least got some hand sanitizer. Jeez. Thanks again, man. If you guys want to send us something, hit me up, Therepliconiswatching@gmail.com. Much love to everybody. Peace!